Hi, I'm Art Lazerow, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Treia Technologies. I've spoken with many farmers these past few years, and they all feel that their problems are growing faster than their crops or animals. They're facing real problems. First, the high and unpredictable cost of energy, and second, what to do with their animal manure, especially in light of governmental restrictions on their use of manure as a fertilizer. Treia has created technologies that mitigate these problems. With our technologies, we turn manure into money. How? By turning the greatest liability, animal manure, into a money-saving, revenue-generating asset with complete regulatory compliance. At Treia Technologies, we don't see animal manure as waste. We see it as a strategic resource, an asset to the farm, but also as a regulatory challenge. This is why we are targeting concentrated animal feeding operations, where over 9 billion head of stock produce in excess of 1.6 billion tons of animal manure each year in the U.S. This waste stream contains over 60 million tons of valuable phosphorus and other nutrients that we can recover. It's a multi-billion-dollar marketplace.
Automated barns raise 1 million chickens a year. 1 million chickens leave a lot of manure. It's terrific fertilizer for his crops, but new pollution rules bar manure from fields that are overloaded with fertilizer. If farmers can't get rid of the waste, they may be forced to raise fewer chickens. But where some see a crisis, others see opportunity.
The motto of Treia is we turn manure into money.
Chris Haug is CEO of Treia Technologies.
And when you're talking about that kind of volume, you're talking about a very, very attractive economic model.
Been looking for solutions, and we like the idea that it takes the phosphorus out of the manure. We can then still use our manure and save on commercial fertilizer. If we can take that phosphorus out and still apply the manure to our land, we're happy and hopefully helping the environment at the same time.
Treia's Biomass HRS, our patented heat recovery system, extracts heat generated by composting animal manure and returns it to the farm to heat their grow-out buildings. Our system eliminates the need to burn propane, saves farmers up to 75% in annual energy costs, and returns approximately $175,000 to an average farm, all while eliminating more than 50 tons of carbon from the atmosphere per farm per year. It's a win-win for the farmer and the environment. Treia's proprietary Agri-NRS nutrient recovery system recovers over 90% of the phosphorus plus some of the other nutrients in animal manure. Recovering these nutrients will improve water quality and resolve state and federal regulatory actions. The Agri system produces phosphorus in several forms, liquid nitrogen, and washed low phosphorus solids that are beneficial soil supplements, all of which farmers can use or sell, while generating zero waste. Another win-win for the farmer and the environment. Treia's technologies have trade secrets, trademarks, and patents, with more patents to be filed.
Treia is not the only company aiming to turn chicken manure into money. Others plan to make energy with it.
The system uses chicken litter from the previous batch of chickens to heat the current batch, and also to produce electricity.
If any of them solve the waste problem and make money, plenty of farmers around the world will take notice.
Our revenue streams come first from sales and maintenance agreements with our heat recycling system, and second, annuity-based revenue from per-ton processing fees, royalties, and sales of the end products. Today, Treia has 2 proven technologies that will solve these major problems faced by farmers. Treia's mission is to deliver solutions through science to the agriculture industry, solutions that conserve energy, reduce pollution, and reduce farmers' liabilities. Please join us in our effort to protect the farmer's way of life, our food supply, and water quality. Thank you.